Today we're gonna talk about the air purifiers. In the past probably 3-4 years, the air purifiers became super important for our particular area here in Bay Area. We have things like the fire smokes, if you remember, the coronavirus. It became probably our #1 sellers, and this being one of our most popular air purifiers. It goes inside the filter box. Many systems in our homes doesn't have the boxes to support such a huge filters, and our company Fuse we do the installation of these filters. Nerve 13 is among the most highest density filters. This filter even could filter the coronavirus, all the pollutants, allergens, always in stock, always available. Installation is quick. These items are not expensive, so imagine you're buying yourself a clean air because you breathe it every day. You can contact us and schedule either virtual estimate, or we can come out and take a look how to provide the proper system for you. Thank you.